Hey, what is up guys, and thank you for stopping by for this new video here on my channel. The ones that follow the channel know that I recently got a new 70-inch smart TV, and I'll put a link on the screen to a video about that smart TV. Having some different connections than I needed, it delivered some problems. But nowadays, when there is a problem, you just have to Google it, and a lot of solutions will emerge, even more than you would think. And that is what this video is all about. So let me know what you think, if it was helpful for you, or if it brought you some solutions. So without further ado, let's go to the video. The VGA connector of my network video recorder, or the NVR, will have to be replaced with a HDMI connector because of the fact that the TV doesn't have a VGA input. So the solution has to be the little clever converter from analog to digital signal. It can handle a full HD signal, and it takes its power through the USB connector, and it has of course an HDMI output and also an audio output. I was really happy to find this inexpensive solution on the internet, and of course I'll put the link in the description where you can find it. And on top of that, if you have more than one optical signal that you would like to have to go to your TV, there is the solution of the optical splitter of the SPD-IF signal. This one works with a quite handy remote where you can choose between the two signals. It works with an infrared signal, so the receiver has to see the remote, and in this case we placed it under the screen by means of a double-sided tape. In the previous video of the 70-inch TV, I mentioned that there were only 3 HDMI ports, so I missed one because I needed 4. And of course there was a solution for it on the internet, where you have the possibility to choose between 2 HDMI signals, and in this case there was no remote. You have to do it by pushing a button, so it has to be within reach. I recommend one with the remote, of course, because you can command it with from your comfortable seat. I'll put the link in the description for this one also. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same and consider subscribing. So let me know what you think about this video. If you have any questions, go to the subscriptions below, and once you're there, hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any future videos, because there is a lot of new content coming to you in the future. Also for the fans, for the Corvette videos. So thank you once again, and see you in the next one. Peace.